Let's make crispy air fryer potatoes. Wash your potato, do a better job than me, I was in a hurry, then slice it into chunks. You can peel the potato if you want. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to boiling water, then add the potatoes. Boil until fork tender. Pour into a colander. Shake off any excess water. Then add the potatoes to a bowl. Drizzle on some olive oil, about a teaspoon or 2. Add some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Stir with a spatula. Add the potatoes to your air fryer basket and then spread them out. Set air fryer to air fryer mode at 415 degrees Fahrenheit or 212 Celsius and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Enjoy!